We started the noon hour at about 94, not bad.
Yeah, not bad, 94 degrees. We had one day not too long ago where we were talking about it a little while ago. We had 104 at the beginning of the noon time. So thankfully it's not as bad as that. 12:15, let's go outside. We've got that big bad tropical depression out there. I say that because it won't move forward. It's got a forward movement right now at less than 2 miles per hour. What's bad about that? Well, it's just a tropical depression, but it's gaining a lot of moisture. It gets a lot of moisture in there and starts moving in. There's going to be a lot of flooding to be had out of this, so it's a big concern. Which direction is it going? Well, it's headed generally northwest, and that would look good for a little while, but then you can see 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Looks like it starts to take a turn by Sunday morning to the northeast and heads out of there. It continues on to the east, kind of meandering a little bit. I'd love to see that thing come into Texas. It would be nice for the rainfall, slow soaking showers. Yeah, it probably is going to be flooding on the coast, but it's going to be flooding on the coast no matter where it comes in. We could use that rain. Let's take a look at what we have beyond, though. As you get a little further in time, it moves off to the northeast and dies out. What's going to be interesting is that we also have Katia out there in the Atlantic. Not a threat to us whatsoever, but it looks like it's trying to head towards the eastern seaboard. Are these two storms going to meet up at some point? We're going to watch. We've got several days before that's going to occur, but we'll keep a close eye on it. By the way, head to the UT football game tomorrow, 7 o'clock. You can see temperatures still in the 90s at kickoff, 93 by halftime, and then 89 by the end of the game. Here's the way things are shaping up outside right now. 94 degrees, winds are calm, humidity at 48%, dew point 71. We have two areas at 97. Llano, you're at 97. San Marcos, you're at 97. We've got 80s out in Fredericksburg right now, some low 90s everywhere else. 94 here in Austin, both sites, 90 in Lockhart, and the 91s for everybody to the east. It's going to be a hot day today. Can't get away from the fact that we're likely to get back to 100, 101, maybe 102. Could we hit 103? Yes. We could do that today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But a little weak front rolls in early Monday. It's going to put our afternoon high temps next week in the low 90s. So we drop about 10 degrees for the highs. Morning lows, 60s. Yep, they're back finally after so long. Let's see, 77 out in Albuquerque was kind of the odd ones out there. A little bit cooler out there. 86 in El Paso, 90s up and down I-35. You got 91 in Amarillo, 87 in Lubbock, 89 in Midland, and then 90s down on the Texas coast. Not any hotter than that 95 that we're seeing on the map here, but you know by looking at the local maps, we had 97s in two places. Here's the way it looks. That's, of course, Tropical Depression number 13. Really honestly thought that it was going to be Tropical Storm Lee. Everybody was suspecting that. Hurricane Center said not yet. I think they're holding off because it doesn't have a closed low on it, the low center. So once it does that, you get a little bit of a wraparound, moisture around it, but you can see it kind of elongated here. So whether it heads northwest, north, this is one you need to keep an eye on. Don't let it be a Monday morning surprise because it'll probably do whatever it's going to do today, tomorrow, and Sunday as far as making its way in. Forecast models don't put any showers our way, but boy, there's a lot of moisture in that, isn't there? Tries to take it into Louisiana. Actually looks like it gets a little bit of an eye wall there as it moves in and then rolls in. Today, 101. Winds out of the northeast at 5 to 15. Tonight, not too bad. 76 means somebody out there is going to be in the upper 60s. And our 7-day forecast shapes up like this. 101, 101, and then 100 on Sunday, and then a slight chance for showers, which really isn't that looking that good. And then look at that. Early morning front arrival on Monday. Temps only to 93 there, 92 on Tuesday, 90 on Thursday, and morning lows could be in the upper 60s. We'll have more in our forecast coming up.
All right.